the other side. So the rooms are back to back. Oh, you guys are across from us. Perfect. Places to chill. It's the lower cabin. This is a bottom room, much smaller than upper. I kind of forgot to say about this morning. I literally just woke up from a nap on the Sunday. I think we're stopping for our swimming spot soon, but we only have 30 minutes to swim. But I had forgotten to say we are getting rerouted due to weather, so we are starting in Hvar for our first stop instead of Makarska. I probably butchered that. I honestly don't remember the name, but we are rerouting due to like the wind patterns is what they said. So we're having our biggest party night tonight because Hvar is supposed to be the best. That's a lot because I'm really tired, but I kind of wish it was the original and that we had Hvar last, but what can you do? So we are able to swim for like 30 minutes, but we have to be off the boat by 5 because our boat can't dock until 8. So we have our walking tour and then free time after that, and our boat docks at 8. So I think we're just gonna like not look cute until after. I don't know. I don't really know what's going on, to be honest. This morning our schedule was check out at 10 and then bus transfer to get our stuff on the boat, and then we had like an hour and a half of free time. A lot of us went to Zara and bought stuff. You can also get sunscreen and like shampoo and conditioner and all that. And then we had our welcome meeting and then a nice lunch. We started with welcome Aperol, which was and then like a soup and bread course, which was really good. Chicken and like risotto for our main, and then cherry pie for dessert, which was really good. Just about to get to our first swim stop of the trip, and then we're going to have our walking tour of bar. Swim stop! First jump! Woo! Woo! Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh! Good morning. I woke up when the anchor dropped this morning because I did not set an alarm. That was around like 10 a.m. is when our swim stop was. Then we swam for like an hour and then had lunch at 11. We had spaghetti with meat sauce and then a whole salad bar, which I forgot to record. But it was like a whole salad bar, 3 different kinds of salad, but it's like not traditional salad. It was like Greek salad, tuna salad, and then this like bean salad. So they're definitely different. And then we had like a cherry vanilla cake for dessert and it was pretty good. But now we are going to the national park and we're all going together. I think we can stay there for like as long as we want and just like come back to the boat whenever. And then tonight we have our captain's dinner and white party, so that should be fun. We're all gonna be on the boat and go out into the ocean a little bit so we can play music because that port's a silent port, so tonight should be fun and hopefully I'll get some sleep and we're not up super late, but maybe I can nap on the boat today. We'll see. Here's the lazy river. Oh, it's cold. Oh, 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 oh. Wow, what an experience. Good morning, guys. It is day 3 on the boat and we are at a long swim stop right now. We got here around like 8:40 and we can swim until 11. Breakfast every day is at 8 to 9:30, so I missed it every morning. It's like 10 right now. I'm so tired. So the schedule for today, lunch is at noon and then we get transferred into Dubrovnik at 1. We have our walking tour and then whoever signed up for kayaking in Dubrovnik gets to go, and I signed up, so I'm super excited for that. Yeah, and then we have free time for dinner and free time to like explore the town in between kayaking and the walking tour. And then we all bought tickets to Club Revelin tonight because it's supposed to be the best in Dubrovnik, so we will be heading there tonight. Pretty easy day. The kayaking's gonna be like 2.5 hours though, not sure why. I'm kind of hungry. I kind of regret skipping breakfast, but there's like fruit out every day, so if you want bananas or apples, like those are out there for you. Ready to swim.
I've had in Europe officially.
From that place, Peppino's Gelato Factory in Dubrovnik.
Who would have thought it's better than Italy? First one! She's so beautiful.
I hope the camera can hear this. That's actually insane. The boat next to us is singing a cappella because their music stopped playing, and I'm straightening my hair, and I just thought this was a really weird moment. Also, why I'm on the wrong set. Had it on a weird setting. Now I look normal and not red, but we went to Dubrovnik and had our walking tour, and then had free time before going kayaking, which was a TV optional, and recommend the kayaking. It was only 40 euro. Really, really pretty. Me and Alyssa are Olympic rowers, actually. We found out. So, see you Los Angeles 2028. But yeah, we're going to Club Revelin tonight, and then don't know where we're going tomorrow. So, we'll see. I'm dying. I'm dying. We went to Club Revelin last night and we have the Game of Thrones walking tour in like 30 minutes and I'm so tired. I don't want to get off. Alyssa's powering through. I'm like passing away. I have to rally though. I love Game of Thrones.
I'm dying. So bad. It's so bad. Waiting for our Uber 20 minutes away. Yay! There is so much traffic and our Uber took longer than the public bus and we just ended up getting out of it and now we're walking in almost 90-degree heat and we're like missing the Game of Thrones tour because why don't we have a bus? Because they made everybody Uber instead and it's really busy right now. Kind of lacking organization. Kind of annoyed. We'll see if we get there and if they're even still there. Because if they're not, I'm gonna be pissed. Seriously? She just said, girls, where you at? We just finished our very sweaty Game of Thrones tour in Dubrovnik. We're both intensely unwell. I mean, it was good. Like, the guide was really good. Yeah, saw important scenes. We didn't go many places, which was interesting. I thought it would be like more of the city, and it was just like two spots.
Just the fortress and the stairs.
Yeah.
Really.
But we got lunch as soon as we came back, which was pretty good, and now it is nap time until the swim stops, so that is the plan, and that is what is happening, because we're dying.
I'm just a girl. I'm just.
Good morning! I think my body's like giving up on me. I feel terrible. There's a guy who's like sick on board, so I wonder if I have that or if I am just recovering still from reveling the other night. But yeah, not feeling too hot. Woke up for breakfast this morning and now we just got to our swim stop outside Korcula? Korcula? Something like that. But here it is. Last night I went to bed extremely early at like midnight, and I still got like a full 9 hours and I'm still tired. So yeah, she's giving up on me, but I'm proud that I made it through this far without dying. So not mad. Halfway through the trip, they do switch out towels and sheets if you request. But I mean, we have 3 days and my sheets are fine. So just gonna switch out towels. And yeah, probably gonna get in the water. Hopefully that'll make me feel better. But today should be a good day. And last night we had our included barbecue dinner. It was alright. Not phenomenal for sure, but it did the job. It fed us. So, and then I'm writing it here. I don't know how to say that. Sheepan, I think is what they said. Some people went to like the bar in town and got off the boat. So I wasn't there, so I don't know if it was fun or not, but I think they had a good time. Also, and to whoever said you get rest on this tour, no you don't. Like, it's slowed down a little today and yesterday, but you don't rest. Like, people are pretty much going out every night. If I was only doing this tour, I would probably be like going out every night. This is also not a vacation, like you're traveling a lot. So don't go into this expecting to have a super nice relaxing like trip, because it's really not that, unfortunately, because I really needed that. Dying inside, it's fine. Dying outside too, to be honest. But yeah, I'm struggling at the minute. Well, the rest of the trip should be pretty chill though. We have our wine tasting tonight that RTD set up for us, and a walking tour when we get to town, and then some free time. 3 days left on the boat, and then European summer's over, which is insane. Okay, so we went to the wine tasting today and then had free time in Korcula? Korcula. And the winery was a ripoff.
No, a scam. A total scam. We paid way too much for 3 half sips of wine.
40 euro for like 16 sips of wine. When a bottle was 20 euro.
No, it was a scam.
What kind of sense does that make?
We got a small charcuterie board.
At least it was good though.
I mean, it was good, but not worth 40.
my gosh, they're jumping above us. We're on the top floor, so the top deck is literally right above us, and they're playing music and they're dancing. It's like almost 3 a.m. But yeah, winery's a scam. Wouldn't recommend.
No.
Wine was not even good. The red was terrible. Do yourself a favor and don't book it. Just like the dinner, the village dinner, whatever that is. Don't book that either.
That was terrible.
Only the
ethnic
kayaking
village,
was fun.
Kayaking was good. What
And
else did we do?
the Game of Thrones tour.
That was good.
Yeah, everything else is a scam. Don't trust it. You look so scary. Good morning. I am officially sick again. Love it. There's a kid who's sick on this trip, and now I am sick on this trip. At least it's like the last 2 days. It's just like a cold. I just have to sleep and get home at this point. I don't know if you heard that thunder, but it's currently storming outside. Wow. Yeah, it's pouring rain and thundering, so love that I can just sit in bed when I'm feeling awful. Yeah, we left Korcula. I don't know how to say any of the places here, but we left there last night. There weren't really anywhere to go out. Like, there were some bars, but they closed at midnight, and then like the only actual bar was like on the other side of the island, so it was really far away. So we just like drank on the boat, and luckily there was like a little store where we could go buy bottles of wine, so we did that. Since the bar on the boat closed like before 11, they say you're not allowed to bring alcohol on board, but then close the bar when people are still here, which is ridiculous in my opinion. But yeah, now we're going to Makarska, and this was supposed to be our swim stop, but it's storming, so I don't know how that's gonna go. But today's supposed to be just a chill day, like lunch on the boat, no more guided tours, just exploring Makarska when we get there around 2, and then free time for dinner. I don't know, the plan for today is to just rest, I guess. We'll see, hopefully the storm clears up. So I just finished the last episode of the first season of House of Dragon, and I'm like crying if you know what happens. But it's still raining, really gloomy and moody outside, and it's like lunchtime now, so I really don't know if the weather's gonna get any better. Our last full day out at sea, kind of a bummer, but at least this is the day that I'm sick for. But yeah, kind of a bust, kind of upsetting. Like, it's still raining and thundering and you can't see anything out there. Still rainy after lunch, unfortunately, but there's a Ferris wheel? Question mark. Makarska's prettier than I thought it would be. Sunrise was unsuccessful. This was our last chance. Dying, but this was it. stop of the trip, but it is picture time. The water is freezing here. We are at our last swim stop of the trip, which is really sad. I woke up dying this morning. Incredible. Gonna have a really rough flight home tomorrow. Just trying to make the most of our last day. We got like 4.5 hours of sleep, but when we get to Split, I'm probably just gonna stay on the boat and take a nap before farewell dinner and whatever. We have to pack tonight, and we have the farewell dinner, and we just took a ton of pictures because it's our last chance on the boat, and then we're probably gonna take more pictures tonight. Most of the people are sick because this one guy got sick and then everybody got sick. I'm ready to go home. I'm like really unwell, but last day in the sun, last day in the water, even though the water here is freezing. That's the plan for today. Not much to do, just tons of free time in Split if you want to get last minute souvenirs or whatever. Last lunch on the boat. Yeah. Hello. Oh, was that close? No. Okay. Update! We just came back from the bar and now we're going to the club. This is the state of our room and it's actually so scary. It is I'm not wearing my watch. It's 11:09 and we are leaving at 4:30 and we're still going to the club.
I'm so scared.
Please, SOS, help. Back home. It's only 1 a.m. I can't even. Currently 5:27. We left the boat at 4:30 and it's a 30-minute drive from the boat to the airport. I just finessed so hard. I left my entire bag of souvenirs in my room, dragged that whole thing around Europe for 2 months, and then left it on the last day. Isn't that fantastic? So now I called an Uber for it, and the Uber is coming at 5:52, and my flight starts boarding at 6:15. Pray to God he's a fast driver because it needs to get here, and I need to go through security. So just a tad stressed. I pray to God I make this flight. This is the end of my European summer, like, of course. And everyone is dying and sick, so that's just fantastic. Hopefully my stuff makes it. I cannot believe I forgot it. Those were the nice scarves that I got from my grandma's and like literally all my souvenirs. So hopefully she makes it. I pray, we pray. If I hadn't lost my bag, I wouldn't have seen this. Not it working. It actually showed up. Thank God. Now I have 20-ish minutes before my flight starts to board, so I hope security's fast.